In this video, we're diving into how to create Shopify landing pages that actually boost sales. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you succeed with e-commerce. Now, let me start here with a simple question. Have you ever clicked on an ad, maybe from Facebook, Google, Instagram, TikTok, landed on a homepage, and immediately thought, wait, what am I supposed to do here? You start scrolling, you're looking for the thing that the ad talked about. You can't find it. You get frustrated, so you bounce. That happens every single day to thousands of shoppers, and it's exactly why landing pages exist. So a landing page is like a pre-planned destination, a spot you intentionally send your traffic to, where the message is clear, the offer is focused, and your visitor knows exactly what comes next. Today, we're gonna break down how to build landing pages on Shopify that actually convert into sales. And no, you don't need to be a designer, you don't need coding skills, you don't need to be some branding genius. What you do need is a clear message, a simple structure, and a page that makes the visitor feel like they're in the right place. So let's get into it. What a landing page actually is and isn't. So most people confuse landing pages with home pages, but the truth is they serve two totally different purposes. So your home page is like the front door to a store. It's welcoming, it's general, it's meant for everyone. New visitors, returning customers, people browsing casually. It has navigation, collections, menus, all the options. Now, a landing page, on the other hand, is like a dedicated salesperson who knows exactly why you're here. It talks to one audience about one offer with one single action that it wants them to take. It's focused, intentional, and built with a purpose. There's nothing extra, nothing distracting, and nothing unrelated. When you send traffic from ads, influencers, emails, or SEO to a homepage, your conversions usually tank. When you send traffic to a dedicated landing page, your conversions are almost always go up. It's because landing pages remove friction. They answer the exact questions that your visitor has. And most importantly, they guide the visitor straight to your offering without sending them on a scavenger hunt. Before you build, the three big questions every landing page needs. All right, now before you even open Shopify, you need to ask yourself three questions. And honestly, these three questions matter more than the design, the layout, the font, or the colors. Number one, what's the goal of this page? If you don't know the goal, you can't design the page. Is the goal to sell a single product? To collect email subscribers? To promote a limited time offer? To build hype for a new launch? To get people to register for a webinar or event? Pick one and only one. The best landing pages are single-purpose machines. Number two, who is this page talking to? Different audiences care about different things. A beginner doesn't care about advanced specs. A busy parent doesn't want a long story. They want to know if the product saves time. A fitness enthusiast wants clear results. Lose weight, build muscle, sleep better. Your copy, your images, your examples, all of it should speak directly to one type of person. Not everyone. Three, where is your traffic coming from? Someone who clicks an Instagram reel, someone who types in a Google search, and someone who comes from an email campaign all have different expectations. Match your landing page to the traffic source. If they came from a product demo video, show the product in action immediately. If they come from an ad showing a discount, show the discount right away. If they come from a keyword like best gifts for dog lovers, show gift-oriented messaging. Consistency equals trust, and trust equals conversions. The 7 essential tips for high converting Shopify landing pages. All right, this is where we shift into the Shopify style structure, the high level principles that matter way more than the drag and drop details. All right, let's break down the 7 essential elements that every high converting landing page needs. Tip number 1, lead with a strong benefit focused headline. Your headline is the first thing that people read. It needs to be simple, clear, and laser focused on the value you provide. Most brands say something like high quality protein powder. That's generic. That doesn't tell me why I should care. A great headline explains the outcome. Build lean muscle without sacrificing taste. Run longer without pain. Sleep deeper and wake up energized. Pair your headline with a sub-headline that adds one extra layer of clarity. Then, now this is important, your headline should be supported by your hero image. Now together, they should explain the product without needing a paragraph of text. Tip number 2, use a high impact exact hero section. So your hero is the first thing someone sees without scrolling. So you want it to answer 3 questions instantly. What is this? Who's it for? Why should I care? Great hero sections usually include a clean background, a clear product photo or lifestyle image, a simple headline, a subheadline, and one strong CTA. Get started now, buy now, claim your offer. You see, this top section should not feel cluttered. When in doubt, simplify. Tip 3, focus on benefits, not just features. And one of the biggest mistakes that I see is brands listing out features and thinking that that's enough. You see, features are facts. Benefits are feelings. Customers buy feelings. Instead of made from stainless steel, say built to last for years so you never have to replace it. Instead of fast charging, say never worry about your phone dying midday again. Every feature should answer the question, why does this matter to the customer? That's how you turn features into benefits that will actually convert. Tip number 4, make your call to action unmissable. Your CTA should be clear, visible, and repeated at least twice. Once above the fold and once below the fold. Keep it simple. Buy now, get started, subscribe, claim your discount. But what you want to do is avoid vague CTAs like learn more, unless you truly need it. People shouldn't wonder what will happen when they click something. Make your CTA button stand out visually. So use a color that contrasts your background but still fits your branding. If the offer includes a discount or a bonus, then put it right next to the CTA so it feels irresistible. Tip number 5, build trust with social proof. People rarely want to be the first person to try something. That's why social proof matters so much. Here are things that you can include. Star ratings, customer reviews, before and after photos, testimonials, user-generated content, press features, logos of customers or brands you've worked with. Now, if you're new and you don't have reviews yet, that's okay. Use your founder story or a mission statement, the reason why you created the product, your guarantee or return policy. The point is to reduce fear. If customers trust you, they'll buy from you. Tip number 6, remove distractions. So this is a big one that Shopify emphasizes. Landing pages work because they reduce choices. That means no navigation menu, no drop downs, no links to other collections, no blog links, no random promotions, no clutter. The goal is to guide the viewer down one clear path toward the CTA. The more options you give people, the fewer conversions you get. Keep your page clean, simple, and focused. Tip number 7, keep your design, colors, and typography on brand. A landing page isn't a separate world from your site. It should feel like your brand through and through. So that means consistent colors, consistent fonts, consistent photography style, consistent tone and wording, consistent spacing and layout. When your landing page feels visually aligned with your brand, people subconsciously trust it more. And trust equals conversions, if you didn't get that by now. So how to actually build this in Shopify. Don't worry, it's easy. All right, so now that we've covered the principle, let's talk about how you actually build the landing page. You don't need to code anything. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need expensive software. You simply need the right tools. Option 1, use a page builder. This is the most popular method. So tools like Pagefly, Shogun, Zipify Pages, these apps come with templates designed specifically for landing pages. You simply drag and drop sections, customize your text, add your photos, and publish. So if you want to get started with Pagefly, we've got a link for you down in the description where you can go ahead and get started for free. Option 2, use a Shopify theme with flexible sections. Some themes now include landing page templates or flexible custom liquid sections that you stack content however you want. Now, this is perfect for beginners who don't want another app. Option 3, hire a designer if you want something custom. Now, this is not required, but some brands eventually go this route. So once you're inside of Shopify, you're met at this page here. Over on our online store, we can go ahead and click on this button right here, and then we'll come in here and click on edit theme. So to go ahead and create a new page for your landing page, you want to come up here to the drop down here, come to pages, and we'll come here and click create template, and we'll go ahead and call this landing page, and we'll go ahead and click create template. All right, so here you are inside of the editor. So I think it's a good idea if you're going to start from scratch, just go ahead and delete this stuff, and we'll come in here, we'll delete that. Now again, with the focus on being the landing page to push your viewers, your readers, your visitors to one action, you want to make it as least distracting as possible. So we want to come up here and we want to just hide that eye. We want to hide this as well so that there's nothing to see at the top there. We'll just go ahead and start in here with a block. So here on the page, we can go ahead and add a block, and we can add a heading, and we go ahead and call this, again, this would be where your heading would go. So something like build muscle without sacrifice. sufficing taste. And we'll go ahead, right click on that, duplicate that, and this will be our subheading, the best tasting protein powder to fuel your gains. And we go ahead and make this smaller. We'll go from H2 to maybe an H4. And then we could come over here, could add a block, go for an image, drop that down below. And this is where you could add an image of your protein powder. And then go ahead, we could add one more block here just for this quick example. Grab that button below the protein powder and click here to buy now. So that's just a super basic example of how you can come in here and use the drag and drop editor if you don't want to use something like Pagefly. Writing copy that actually converts. Your visuals get the attention, your copy gets the conversion. So here's how to write copy that people want to read. Number one, speak to one person. Imagine you're talking to one specific customer, your ideal buyer. Use you language to make it feel personal. 2, use simple words. Good copy isn't fancy, it's clear. 3, use storytelling. Share why the product exists. Share the struggle that it solves. People connect with stories more than specs. 4, focus on results. Don't tell people what it is, tell them what it does for them. 5, create urgency, ethically. If you truly have limited stock, limited time pricing, or a bonus, let customers know. Urgency works, but only when it's real. So, creating a landing page that boosts sales isn't about being a designer. It's about being clear. Today, we covered what landing pages actually are, why they convert better than home pages, 3 questions to ask yourself before you build, the 7 essential tips for high converting pages, how to build the page inside Shopify, and how to write better copy. So, if you can follow the principles that we talked about today, your landing pages will immediately feel more focused, more intentional, and more trustworthy. And trust leads to conversions. So if you want to try any of the tools that we mentioned today, then make sure to check out the links down below in the description. These are affiliate links, which means that this channel earns a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel so that we can continue to make free content just like this. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos on how to succeed at e-commerce, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.